Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to order from Taobao to Canada. First go to taobao.com and log into your account and choose the item which you want to buy. From the next page, you have to copy the link, select the link from the link bar and copy it. Then go to We Go Buy and paste the link. Select buy for me. Now you have to enter the name. Go to Taobao again and copy the name from here. Then go to Ego Buy and paste the name. Then you can give a remark about your size, product color. And then enter the product price, or you can also copy it from Taobao and go to Ego Buy and paste the price here. Then select your quantity, how much you want to buy from here. Then enter the amount again. Then select buy now. Then from the next page, select your destination country. You can also search it from the search bar. Then review everything. If you happy with everything, then select I have read and agreed and click on submit then. And then add your payment method. And that's it. That's how you can order from Taobao to Canada. If you found this video helpful, then give it a like.